Hey guys, camper renovation update from the Resourceful Hippies. After George ripped up all the old wood on the bed frame, he managed to reframe it with some new 2x1s and reused all of the old insulation and put them all together with these little brackets. We picked up an old wooden shelf unit for free and managed to turn that into the 2x1s that we were using here in our camper. They may not be hardware store quality, but we kept them from ending up in a landfill and it didn't cost us a dime. George is finishing up the last of the framing now, so let's go take a look. Hi, Georgie.
Close enough.
George had previously gone and fixed all of the leaks and holes he found, but we actually got a bunch of snow this past week and we happened to find another one. George actually found this Flex Seal spray in the camper when he bought it and has been using that to fill in all the gaps. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more Campo Reno updates.